everyone. In this video, let me explain how to find the power set of a given set. Power set is nothing but it consists of set of all subsets of A and is represented as P of A. Okay, that is power set of A. Suppose if A is a set consists of n elements, then its power set P of A has 2 power n elements. So this one you should know, right? So for example, let me take a set A consists of 3 elements. So in its power set means it consists of 2 power 3, so totally 2 power n. So 2 power, it has 3 elements, isn't it? So totally 8. So it has 8 subsets. So for the first one is nothing but the empty set you write. Then singleton set, that is consists of A, B, C, and then you have to combine the sets with 2 elements like A, B, B, C and C, A, and the whole set A, B, C. So totally we have 8 sets. Hope you got a clear idea about how to find the power set of a given set.